अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Exercise 15. Repair of the road to the ferry should make a difference, full stop. Which of the two comma do they say comma should put up the fourth pillar question mark? They had to take a different route to the heath, full stop. They hope to be at the fair tomorrow comma, and the car should be at the door at 2 full stop. It should make a difference to Murray and Hague, full stop. Exercise 16. They hope to reach Orkney on the 4th of May, full stop. The red color on the door and the yellow on the window had a poor effect, full stop. He ought to be fair and pay the difference to Reed and Henna, full stop. If they get the money, it should make much difference to the firm, full stop. They had a heavy mail on Monday, full stop. Tom saw the head of the firm leave at 4 or so, full stop.